Should we take it? Should we take it in somewhere?
Yeah, maybe we can do it. We're not live around here.
Oh. Oh, this is
The bird's getting stronger.
I don't want to like tear it out.
Yeah.
Do you guys know where a vet is around here?
No, we're not live around here. We're not around here. We're just
Oh, there's an airport down Stork right over here.
Okay, because I don't have a car though. So.
We just need flyer. If you have a flyer, we can get it.
Poor baby.
Can you close? Can you open it and let me take my tag?
Is it really strong?
Yeah, it's getting stronger now.
Well, I think it's let it close for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, poor baby.
Maybe close.
That one. Okay, let me have my finger.
Close your eye again.
I don't think it's a good idea for us to pull it out.
Okay, just leave it like this and...
No, I feel like I should take it somewhere. Danielle,
maybe you can take it because it...
do you know where a vet is around here? No,
It's the airport. It's like airport animal care, I think. But I don't know. I've just driven past it.
The airport?
It's like right here down.
Yeah.
South Florida. Yeah.
Danielle, would you be willing to help for it? Because I can't do it. Wait, what's the plan? I got it. Alright. I know, like, if worst comes to worst, I know we probably can't get one.
No, I'll leave it.
Okay.
How far is it? I live pretty close. Oh, I live close.
Would you be able to drive us there?
I'll come up right here.
There's some steps over there.
Okay, I'll meet you right there. 6'7",
Airport.
6'7" and
Airport.
DP.
Okay, 678.
Alright.
Thank you, guys.
Oh God. Ow. I'm sorry, bird. You got him? What's...
Cover them.
I know,
Cover the face.
okay, I got him.
Cover the eyes. Cover the eyes. Cover the eyes.
I can't.
Cover the eyes.
Cover them?
Yeah. Cover
Here,
the eyes.
I'm gonna go get my car then, and I'll meet you right up here on